In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to get custom alarm sound on iPhone. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you download the music or the sound you want to use for your alarm. You want to make sure you have it downloaded to your device. So the next thing you want to do, assuming you've downloaded the music or the sound, so the next thing you want to do now, you want to look for the clock icon or the clock app. As you can see, we have the clock app here. So what you want to do, just want to tap on this clock. You want to open it up. So once you open this clock up, I want you to check the top right corner. You're going to see a plus sign over there. I want you to tap on that plus sign. So once you tap on that plus sign, it's going to take you to this page. So on this page, I want you to tap on sound. So once you tap on sound, if you want to use the inbuilt sounds on iPhone, you can just scroll down and just change to anything. You can change it to anything you want here. But if you want to change it to a custom sound, this is what you do. So far you've downloaded the music or the sound to your phone. You just want to come down here where we have songs. Just tap on a pick a song. Once you tap on pick a song, the songs you downloaded will be shown here, and you can easily select it and use it as your alarm sound. So guys, this is how you can actually change or get a custom alarm sound on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.